we've got a picture of three 6-volt batteries. Now they're not connected yet with any wires, but we want to make connections so that instead of having three individual 6-volt batteries, we connect them together to make one big 6-volt battery that's going to last a really, really long time. So we know we have to connect those in parallel. And when you connect batteries in parallel, you don't change the voltage. They just last a lot longer because each battery has to deliver less current to the source. Now, ultimately, we're going to connect it to a light bulb, which I'll have to draw in at the end. I'll probably draw the light bulb in just as a schematic. It's the batteries we're focused on. So I like to start with the schematic diagram. So we know we've got to take three batteries and connect them all in parallel. And in parallel, what you do is you connect all the positives together. So all these positives will be connected together, all one common wire. Same with all the negatives. All the batteries are said to be across one another. Negative sides are all connected together, positive sides are all connected together. That's going to make one 6-volt battery that lasts a long time, that'll be able to power this light bulb for forever, for a really, really long time. Now let's label these batteries. Let's call this battery A, B, and C. And on our diagram, let's go A, B, and C, top to bottom, just like I did in my schematic. Now let's just follow it through. Between battery A and battery B, from the positive terminal to the positive terminal of battery B, we have a wire. We have this wire right here connecting the two positives together. So I'm going to take the positive terminal, which is the red terminal of battery A, and connect it to the positive terminal of battery B. Now, from battery B, the positive terminal of battery B also is a direct connection to the positive terminal of battery C. So let's keep it going. There's another wire that's going to go in there. Red to red to red. I'm going to call this one wire 1 from A to B. This little guy right there is wire 1. And then from B to C, we'll call that wire 2. Here's wire 2 right there. Now, if we go to the other side, all the negative terminals get connected together. So the negative from A goes to the negative of B. So I'm going to use blue for this one. Let's use green. The negative of A connects to the negative of B. Negative of A to the negative of B. So we're going to call that wire number 3. Similarly, the negative of B goes to the negative of C, which I'm going to call wire number 4. Negative of B goes to the negative of C. There's wire number 4. And then from the positive terminal of C goes to one side of a light bulb. And then from the negative terminal of C goes to the other side of the light bulb. So I'll just use red for this one. So from one terminal, the negative terminal in this case, we go to one side of our light bulb. And then from the other side of the light bulb, it goes back to the negative terminal of the battery. So I've connected either side of the light bulb to the positive and negative terminal of our battery C. So this wire on the left here might be wire number 5. And the wire on the right would be wire number 6. So there's our physical connections for our batteries.